Introducing Zettlab AI NAS, the next-generation storage solution that elevates your data management to the next level. With a whopping 200 terabyte of storage, there's ample room for everything. Your entire digital universe in one place. Equipped with dual USB 4 and 10 GB ports, transfers finished in the blink of an eye, moving 10 GB in seconds. Featuring the most advanced hardware in the NAS industry, no challenge is too complex. With a rich ecosystem of native apps and full Docker support, customization never made easy. Searching your NAS? Skip the digging, just describe what you're looking for using natural language, and it's found. The AI assistant allows you to interact with your documents and utilize the NAS shortcut to effortlessly set up your NAS. Additionally, you can engage with offline GPT to easily get answers while ensuring privacy and security. Now, let's dive into the real magic. Meet the Creator Studio. Developed hand-in-hand with content professionals, brings all essential tools together in one place. Streamline your workflow, unleash your creativity, and never pay a dime. Finished shooting? Insert card, press button. Your footage is automatically copied, verified, transcoded, and uploaded to the cloud. Generate subtitles, check to edit. With AI Clip, your rough cut is ready in an instant. Send a simple link and let clients preview your work and provide feedback. Supercharge your home theater with an immersive 4K experience. Unlock the full potential of your data and embark on a new era of storage and creativity with Zettlab AI NAS.